So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to record data on my van for probably 3 to 4 weeks. Then we'll do the treatment. I'll show you exactly how to do the treatment, how it works. It's really simple by the looks of it. And then once we've done that, then we're going to record data for another 3 to 4 weeks, and we'll compare our results and see what's happened. And you know, I am quite optimistic. I think they make a few bold statements, so like you say, and I have done a fair bit of research, and there's a lot of people test this product on petrol engines. There's a lot of videos out there with people who have basically fixed engine management faults, fuel related fault codes and stuff. They've had engine management lights, or they've had emissions related fault codes bringing on engine lights. I've seen people who have actually failed MOTs who have then tried this treatment, and then they've passed an MOT. Apparently it's good for cleaning out catalytic converters and all that stuff and bringing them back to new. So you know, there is, you know, a lot of evidence out there that says this product works, but no one's really tested it on a diesel that I could find. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity for me to make a video for you guys, and hopefully yeah, we'll see some results and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, right then guys, so the results are in, and I gotta be honest, I am a little bit surprised. So first things first, I just want to make clear that this is not a paid promotion. I'm not being paid anything to test this product. I'm not being paid anything to say anything. This is my honest opinion. So the first thing, obviously, I noticed with this vehicle, as soon as I did the treatment, I noticed one hell of a difference in the running of my vehicle. It was running a lot smoother. The actual starting in the mornings was a lot better, and like I said before, I actually thought I had a flywheel starting to vibrate on my van, and that vibration is pretty much gone. So I'm quite chuffed. So yeah, taking all that into account, I gotta say this is a Marty's Workshop recommended product. I am going to use this in my cars. I've got a petrol one here that I'm actually going to put in my wife's car, and then I've got another nice treatment ready for mine, and I gotta be honest, I am pretty chuffed. Now I know you may say 2 miles per gallon, does it really make a difference? So the other thing I wanted to see is, you know, is this going to cost you money? Well, this actually sits on the shelf at about £15 per bottle. It's a one shot. And they say you should do it every 3 months. Now, I actually done a bit of a calculation, and I actually worked out that doing the mileage I do, which is about 22, 23 miles a day, I would actually save around 30 to 35 pounds over that 3 month period, which more than pays for the treatment. So in my opinion, it does work. In my opinion, it's not really costing me any money. It's actually saving me a bit. It's only a little bit, but it's only going to do you any good. So definitely a thumbs up from me. I'm happy with the product, so I'm going to carry on using it.